Are you driving the car? Whoa. Can you see over the steering wheel?
What's that?
It's a mount for my phone.
Why?
So I can see where I'm going. Oh, blinker. Hello, turning. Can you beep the horn?
Where?
It's on the steering wheel. In the center. Push. Real hard.
I can't.
Real hard. Good. Push. Oh.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Come on. Honk the horn.
How?
Push really hard. Really hard. Push. Oh.
I can't.
You can't do it. Today's Tuesday and it's about 1 p.m. and Madigan is currently taking a nap while my mom is at the doctor. Maria is headed over to my house now. We're gonna have lunch and then we have some errands to run. Maria's birthday is actually on Friday and she's turning 21, so it's kind of a big deal, and they have a like Memorial Day slash birthday picnic barbecue type thing on Saturday. So it's kind of like last minute stuff this week, getting things ready. So today we're gonna run to a different mall so she can get a couple of things, and then I don't know what else I have to do today. You are one in a melon.
Oh, that's really cute. It's a W?
Obviously if the cup's not upside down. Did you seriously just ask that question?
It looks like an N. It doesn't look like a W.
But is that how you would hold the glass? Oh, I broke it.
Gosh.
I don't know.
Oh my god, that is what? Oh, they're attachments.
To this, yeah. But that's crazy. Work it. $400 for a hair dryer? That's not bad. Mom's going crazy.
Scallops? It's a sign.
Kansas baby back there.
So we want corn nuggets and pretzels. Do you want anything else?
And thing of steamed
corn nuggets?
And steamed clams.
And you want mac and cheese, Maddie?
Hey! Hi!
What are you getting for her? What?
She said to see if they could do penne and tomato sauce for her instead of spaghetti.
Very hot. Like a lava.
How drunk is she already?
What? Is she speaking another language?
So Tuesday was a lot of fun. Maria and I had some errands to run because her barbecue is this weekend. And then later that night, we went out with my entire family to the Mason Jar for dinner. And then we actually met up with Lauren and her boyfriend and some of her friends to go bowling. But I didn't really film that because I didn't bring my camera. And I'm not very good at bowling, but it was still a lot of fun. But that's pretty much it for today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.